and play now. Yes, the collision is happening good, and you can see the shape is also good. Now we can go to the nucleus. This is the next one. The nucleus talks about the gravity. Okay, make a zero gravity. What happened now? So it's not, yeah, it's like underwater. Okay, make it gravity 9.8 is the default gravity. Increase the wind speed. Go to the first frame and increase the wind speed and check. You can see that. Is it interesting? The wind speed. Okay, now I want the same position of this hair on the first frame. When you click the first frame, it goes straight to the default position. Now play and hold for the proper position. Go to the nHair and click on the set start position from current. When you click this position has become a first position. Now I want a curly more. Go to the nHair and go to the curl, increase it, increase more, and select and go to the bottom for the shading, more blacking, and then if you want the gradient, you can go for a gradient. Opacity, mostly of this one we don't need, but only the specular, the glossiness we can increase. Suppose if you need a wet hair. And render now, as usual, select the camera, environmental color, black to change the color. Okay, it's there. Settings, software render, it's nice, and click render. You see. Okay, what you see is we need a more subsegments and we need a more number of hair. So select this, go to the shape system, more clamp, increase 60, and subsegments more. Now I can feel the curliness. Let's render to check. Okay, we need a specular more. Increase the, okay, I got a, but the clamp size is very big, so decrease the size of the clamp. Okay, if I need to decrease the clamp size, you see, we need a more number of clamps. Okay, I hope you understand the nHair. Select this, finally go to the catch, and you can create the new catch in object. So what happens is this will store entire simulation in your system itself. So no need to simulate again and again. When you do the rendering, the render will be more smoother, so you don't get any distraction when you do the render. So try to do this hair. Any questions, please let me know. Message me or email me. Suppose you got any trouble, make a print screen and send to me in WhatsApp. Okay guys, why we are creating this, you can see this, I'm playing reversely, or I can move like this, no problem, because the catch file is there. But without catch file, you cannot do like this. So please enjoy with the hair system, nHair. Okay guys, that's it today's section.